plural term for goose is geese, and a group of geese is called a gaggle. Goose is another word for females. Gander is another term for males. And babies are called goslings. They're all belonging to the longneck family. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about geese. Grab a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw.
So towards the top of your paper, you're going to draw a little bit of a squiggly line. And then we're going to have the beak come out here. So a little bit of a hump, a curve, similar to the duck. The mouth. And the nostril. Let's add the eye. Circle. Then you can add another circle inside.
There are 30 different species of geese around the world. Males are white and the females are much darker. They can grow up to 40 inches tall and weigh up to 14 pounds. Not only that, they can live up to 20 to 35 years and fly 35 miles per hour.
Now the goose has a long neck. So let's draw the chin. And let's come up here and we're going to draw a hump and come down long. Now this goose is going to be sitting in the water, so we're not going to leave room for feet. Come back under this little strap right here, and we're going to curve the line alongside the other one.
Geese like to eat many things like seeds, nuts, berries, and different plants. They also play a very important role in the ecosystem, and they're known as seed dispensers.
And the tail feathers are going to come out this way. So let's go to the back first. Now let's go to the front. We're going to draw a hump here and then come back and connect it. Now for the wings. Start down here in the front. And then you're going to add the feathers, which is just going to look like back here.
The female ganders build their nests out of twigs, mud, and feathers. And when the baby goslings are born, they're born fluffy and yellow, and they can swim 2 days after birth.
Let's add a little detail. This goose is in the water, so we can add some water ripples.
Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Go ahead and enjoy the music and a few more fun facts while you color your artwork. Great. Geese are known for their long necks and noisy living habits. They communicate through 13 observed calls called honking. Once a year, for about 30 to 45 days, geese go through the molting process, which means they're losing their feathers. They're unable to fly. So they like to be near water so that they're able to escape from predators. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class. Hit that subscribe button for new art classes and tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.